In this video, we'll be covering how to manage Chrome extensions using GAT Shield's Extension Explorer. We assign different values for different permissions that extensions ask for. For example, an extension that has access to your webcam receives a value of 4, which is the highest value. We also give the same value to extensions that require desktop capture and audio recording. In the GAT Shield Extensions tab, you can view all the extensions currently installed on your user's Chrome browsers. You can see their names, versions, permissions, permission scores, if they are enabled, when they were installed or removed, and the user who installed it. Using the action icon, you will see more details about the extension. In the GAT Shield instance details, you can get the Shield UUID. This ID can help you find what device the extension was installed on, using the user device geo-reporting section. You can export all the data for extensions to a CSV using the Export Data button. In the CSV, you can see data such as the ID and the install method for the extension, among other details. Admin installs mean the extension was installed because of an administrative policy. Development means the extension was loaded and unpacked in developer mode. Normal means the extension was installed normally via a CRX file. Sideload means the extension was installed by other software on the machine. And other covers all other means of installation. I'm going to build a filter that will look at all extensions from my marketing OU with a permission score value that is greater than 3. I've noticed an extension that may be a security risk, so I'll copy its name or ID, and now in the Google Admin Console, I can block that extension. Don't forget to go to our website to get a free 15-day trial of GAT+. If you enjoyed this how-to, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell so you never miss a video, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see from us in the future. That concludes this GAT Shield how-to. Thank you for watching.